Let's see. Imaje 9040 米 account how to deal with its high voltage failure, high voltage fault. There are a couple of things. One is that we have ink buildup on this high pressure deflector. It will report high voltage failure if there is dirty ink. If there is, we'll just clean it up. Let's clean it up. Clean up, and be sure to blow dry, and then it will work out. The second scenario is high voltage failure. Our ink dot is not divided well. It is said that ink will accumulate on the high-pressure deflector plate. It will also report a recovery failure. At this time, we need to adjust our screw, directional screw, and then until we split the ink dot well. This is the second case. The third case is our viscosity is out of whack. The viscosity of the ink is not normal. It's also causing this high voltage failure. Because the viscosity is not good, charging is not good, ink accumulation on this high pressure plate will also cause high voltage failure. There is also a high pressure pack damage. Damage to the machine's high voltage pack will also cause high voltage failure. There are several types of high voltage failures. If the high voltage pack is damaged, we need to replace the high voltage pack.